What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick and early update here on NatGas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So, right here, what do we have? So, as mentioned yesterday, that price has formed a valid swing high bearish engulfing pattern. Now, two conditions I want to mention on smaller time frame and on a higher time frame as well. So first, let's talk about smaller time frame. So since the price from the bearish engulf have entered this trade right here with two targets, target 1 is right here and target 2 is a little bit bigger, and I'm using the stop loss and take profit of target 2 to manage my trades if take profit 1 hit first. So that is still running. I'm not sure how it's going to go, but that is my valid signal on smaller time frame. I'm expecting good scalp out of this trade if that plays out. If not, price is still ranging within this little box right here and soon to be broken above or below. Since we are below 50 EMA, I'm still looking at the zone below right here, 3.879 that goes down to 3.688. That is my major support from where I'm expecting a good push up out of natural gas. For now, we might see some more move up, hit of 50 EMA, likely retest of 50 EMA. Again, price might from bearish engulf from A and then it pushes down range and then it will decide to break above or below. So for now, my bias is towards the downside bearish because we are still below 50 and 20 EMA on daily, below 20 EMA and on 4 hour below both time frame. Now, coming back on a daily time frame. If you remember a couple of videos before, I've said that if the price won't reject from 20 EMA, we have a likely chance the price will reject from 50 EMA. That is still there. We might see a push down retest of 50 EMA or the zone below as well, which is the major support for us. From here, we might see another spike up out of natural gas. So these are the two conditions on smaller and a higher time frame I'm looking at for the possible entries. For now, wait with patience for the breakout. If you are still in the trade, then I'll wait till the price hit my take profit or stop loss. Again, that is a 180 target. If you would have entered right here, that would have hit your take profit easily. But for me, I've entered right at the close, which is also valid for me. But that barely hit my take profit and then pushes back up. So for now, it might pushes up. Bearish engulfer might push it down again and go all the way to the zone below from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades. If not, if let's say the price dramatically push up and break and close above 50 EMA, in that case the condition and the trend will likely to reverse from here and we will then only look for the buy conditions for natural gas till the price hit the next level of major resistance. So keep an eye, very clear condition. These are the conditions now I'll be looking at for my possible entries here on NatGas. Now here on Capital.com, exactly the same, the zone that was mentioned right here, these numbers in blue, a zone from where I'm looking for the possible bounce. This could be some sort of range accumulation before the price pushes up or lower. If lower, it is my area to buy NatGas. If a break above 50 EMA, then just my pullback entry bullish. That is all I'm looking at for natural gas. So keep an eye, simply look for the breakout for the buy or sell opportunity. Again, if you're still in the trade, then wait till the price hit your stops and target. If you're not in the trade and if you have entered few pips above, then you take profit 1 has been hit using 1 ATR for the targets. Now, on EMX, exactly the same, 1 above and 1 below the level right here. As you can see, these numbers in blue for the possible buy trades. And if we have broken above 50 EMA, simply just look for pullback entry bullish and keep on taking longs out of natural gas. So very simple conditions. Keep an eye on this zone and keep an eye on 50 EMA and breakout above and below for the next continuation trades. Right here, next we have gold. Gold successfully hit your take profit right here. A massive move, as you can see, clearly mentioned from 50% retracement to 1.618 retracement. That clearly hit another massive target all the way from here. That is 5,600 pips move that was clearly mentioned. How nicely, successfully we've been taking gold trades all the way from where we took this trade, Fibonacci entry, Fibonacci entry, Fibonacci entries, and multiple times right here as well. And gold has been playing out nicely, and that could have made you lots of money if you have taken this trade. So let's see the clip from my last video and then we can connect the dots from there. If you want to calculate the pullback, use Fibonacci tools like this. 50% can be a pullback and then another spike. I'm expecting buy limit order can be 50%. It is very risky entry looking at this big moves, but it can give you a very good reward to risk ratio as you. Now, if you have used the upper level, in that case, that hit 50% retracement. But upper level is fine as well if you use the upper level. The entry of 50% has been triggered. Again, that's going to be very risky entry. Then stop loss can be below this pattern, take profit can be 1.618 retracement. So that is something if you are using the upper level. Perfect. So you see the power of conditions. A perfect move here clearly mentioned. And if you have taken this trade, then you have made money right here. What to expect from here? Just a pullback and correction I'm expecting out of gold. We do not have an anchor level right like this. Before we plot another Fibonacci tool, I'll keep you guys informed to plot another Fibonacci retracement and entry. But for now, wait for the good retracement, rejection, and then a push down out of gold. For now, we are oversold. If we have a green and a red bearish engulfer, in that case, expect an ATR move out of gold, exactly like this. If we have again green and a red bearish engulfer, we're going to see a good retracement, push down, and then with that we have a pullback entry bullish, which is my bullish engulfing pattern, happens above 50 EMA. In that case, I'm gonna go long again. So only buy trades, but after the pullback must be above 20 or 50 EMA with a bullish engulfing pattern, and only gonna go long for my entries. Keep an eye, just pull back and then buy trades for gold. Here on silver, exactly the same. 50% entry has been triggered. Now here on silver, it will be safer if you keep your take profit till 34.41 because it is a level of major resistance, and we have a level right here, as you can see these numbers in blue. So once the price hit this level, I will look for the bearish engulfers or double top entry condition. Now I also mentioned that if silver forms a bearish engulfer, expect good pullback, at least one ATR. That has happened all the way from here, nicely pushed down more than 1 ATR. For now, just a push up is expected, and then bearish engulfers double top I'm looking at for my possible entry. If we have a pullback again, as we are now broken above these highs, pullback above 50 EMA with a bullish engulfer, something I want to see to take another long trade if you are looking at the pullback entry bullish. If you are still in the trade at a 50% retracement, make sure you exit your trades right here or managing your trades all the way up like I mentioned in my last video. So keep an eye, only buy trades here and manage your trades if you're already in silver trades. Next up, we have crude oil has broken above this range. Now that confirms the trend that price of crude oil is now likely going to push up. So for me, I want to see some more momentum, then a pullback, bullish engulfer. That is all I'm looking at, and keep on buying crude oil till the price hit 70.12 goes to 71.18. So just buy trades, but after some more momentum. If we have red and a green solid candle above 50 EMA with a cross like this, that is also one of my buy signals. So all I'm looking at my buy trades for crude oil, that is all. Not selling crude oil, as now we are broken above 50 and 20 EMA and looks like a change of trend all the way as we are broken above. So that is it for today's analysis. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.